Okay guys, so my husband recently just purchased this Samsung monitor and I wanted to come on here to review it. So first of all, I'm reviewing it in the bathroom because honestly, this is going to be my favorite use for it. Imagine just turning it like this, bringing it closer, and you can literally watch it while you're in the bathtub. But let me just show you guys all the functions. So first of all, it does turn to the side. It also tilts like up and down. Goes up like this, down like this. So it's very, very flexible. It rolls. This really amazing feature because you don't have to carry it. It will just roll with you and it rolls very easily. I'm just trying not to mess with the cord because it is plugged in right now to the wall. But it does come with a remote right here. I'm going to turn it on now so you guys can actually see what it's like. Here we go. And basically this is the screen you see. So as you can see, we have all these like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu, all this stuff, YouTube, everything over here. You can also use it as like a second screen to your laptop or another computer. But honestly, I'm going to be using this as a TV. I think that's the best use for it, especially in the bathtub. But let me just show you guys what a 4K video looks like on here. Okay guys, so I went on YouTube and I clicked on this video. This is a 4K video and you can kind of hear the sound too. The sound quality is actually really good on this. Like, I'm honestly very surprised, but like has great sound, like maybe even better than my laptop or our TV. But yeah, this is amazing. I definitely recommend this. This is such a great device. So if you're looking for an item like this, or if you want to get a gift for somebody, I definitely recommend you check this out on Amazon.